Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to code your own custom Discord bot with Discord.js in 2020. This will be a series on my channel, so today I will only be showing the basics, but in the next video we'll be going more advanced and keep going more advanced. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is download these two things, if you haven't already, which is the first thing will be Node.js, so we can actually run our code outside of the web. The next thing is Visual Studio Code, and this is what we will be actually coding our bot with. So, once you have these two things downloaded, then you need to open up Visual Studio Code, and then you need to go into your, you need to create a folder for your bot, go onto that folder, and once you have that folder open, you need to do npm, well actually, you need to open this terminal, which is basically a command prompt inside Visual Studio Code. You can do that by dragging from down here up, or going to terminal, new terminal. So you need to do npm init, and this is going to create a JSON file for all of our properties. You can basically just keep hitting the enter button for everything there. It really doesn't matter. You don't need to change anything there unless you really want to, but you really don't need to. The only things you really could change is like the main here, or description, or author. But anyways, then next you need to do npm I Discord.js. This will install the node module for Discord.js, which is a module that lets you interact with Discord itself, so you can actually, interact with Discord. So, now we are ready to start coding. As you can see, downloading that module created these two things. Now we're ready to code though. So you can make your main file here. I'm gonna name mine index.js. You can name yours whatever, main.js, whatever you want. So first we need to create two variables. We're going to use constants, which are variables that cannot be changed. So first you want to do const discord equals require discord.js. This will actually make us require that module so we can actually use it. Next we want to do const client equals new discord.client parentheses and there. This might actually need a capital. So you can actually change this to bot, whatever you want. It's pretty easy though to just use client, but yeah. So next we need to log into our bot. To do that we need to do client.login parentheses. Here's where we would normally put our token, but we're actually going to store ours in another file. So we're going to create a file called config.json, and we're going to open up some brackets inside of it, and here we're going to do in double parentheses token, and that, and then more double parentheses, and here's where we'll put our token. To get your token, you need to go to the Discord developer portal. This is the link. I'll have all links in the description, by the way. But then you need to create a new application. Then you need to go into that application, go to the bot section. There should be a button to create the bot. Click on that and then click on yes, do it. Then you will have your bot. You can change the profile picture, avatar right here, and the username right there. But we need to get the token, so we go right here at token, we copy it, and then we're going to paste it here. By the way, do not share your token with anyone. It's basically the password to the bot. If anyone gets it, they can log into your bot, do stuff on the bot, etc. So don't share it with anyone. So next we're going to create a constant to actually pull out your token from this file into our main file. So to do that, we're going to do const config equals require dot slash config dot JSON. Make sure those are in single quotes or double quotes, doesn't matter. Alright. So now that we have this, we can actually log in. To do that, we're gonna go down here into the client to log in and do config.token. Basically what this does is it goes into the config file and it gets our token property from that file and what's inside that property, so you know, the token. So now we are ready to actually start coding the bot part of this bot that actually has commands, etc. So first of all, we're going to make something that tells us our bot is on, so we know that it is actually on. To do this, we're going to do client.once and then parentheses ready, comma, or parentheses, error function, brackets, and then console.log. We'll do bot is on. You can change this, but that's just basically what that does is it goes in the terminal slash console down here, and it tells you your bot is on. So just to test this out real quick, we're going to do node dot, which is basically what you use to turn on your bot. So as you can see, it logged bot is on, so everything is good so far. We are the bot is online, so I already have my bot in a test server, so as you can see, it's online. To get your bot in your server, you need to go back to the developer page, the Discord developer portal. Go into your application, go to OAuth 2, select bot, and then you can choose whatever permissions you want. You can choose more than one, whatever you want. We're going to use administrator today. So after you choose your permissions, you want to hit copy, go to that link, then there should be this, and you should be able to select what server you want to put it in. So once it is in the server, then you can start actually, you know, testing it. So now we are ready to actually make commands now that we have all this. So what we want to do is client.on parentheses message, comma, message. We're gonna pass message here, and then another arrow function, I believe, and then brackets. Yeah, that's right. So now to create a command, we're going to make an if statement. So if message.content equals for example, we'll say hi, and then we're going to open up some brackets here, message.reply hello. How about that? So this should work. So until you reload the bot, this code won't actually render with the bot. So as you can see, if we say hi, it doesn't respond. So what we need to do is turn the bot off. So you go into here, as you can also see, you can't actually type after you do node dot. So you want to hit Control C. That will turn the bot off and let you type again. So now again, we're going to turn it back on with node space dot, and there, the bot is on. So now when we say hi, the bot responds with hello. That's great. So if you want to add more commands, what you want to do is you can use another if statement. You can just use a bunch of if statements, but I don't recommend it because it's just it's less clean in my opinion. So what you're gonna do is basically make an else if statement on this. So I'm going to do else if message.content equals hello, message.reply hi. So as you can see, it's literally the same exact thing, but you add else on the same line that your bracket is for this, and then you can just keep using more and more. Just to show you this works, I'm going to run it. So now when we say hello, it should say hi in response. So yep, it works. So you can keep doing more and more of those, but yeah. So another thing you may want to do is add a prefix. Basically, a prefix, if you don't know what it is like how some bots will have like help, you know, a exclamation point. But for now, I'm not going to show you how to use an actual prefix. You'll just have to add it in your message.content equaling whatever. So, example, if we put exclamation point right there, bam, hi, and then if we say hi without the prefix, it doesn't respond. So that's all up to you, and you can also use multiple prefixes with this method, but I don't recommend it. So that is it for this video. This is how you code a basic, very, very basic bot. Next video, I'll be showing you an actual command, how to make your own command handler, which is very nice, and how to use a prefix and probably something else. I haven't thought of that yet. So comment down below if anything you thought I did wrong, or maybe I could improve on. Creative criticism is appreciated. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.